Good morning, class 5. Today we will start perimeter and area. Okay, I think and hope that you are very happy, very interested to do this topic, isn't it? Because most of the students, they like this topic because it is taught in senior classes also, and you like seniors topic also, isn't it? So let's start perimeter and area, but it's nothing, it's very simple, you'll understand. See, perimeter is nothing. Let's read definition first. Okay, perimeter is the distance around a plane figure or the length of the boundary of a plane figure. Okay, plane figure, you know that it does not have thickness or height, it just have length and breadth. Like this blackboard, your length, breadth, it has two length and breadth. Okay, rectangle, you know that. But if it does not have thickness, here this has thickness, so it's not a plane figure. Like a paper, just a page, it does not have thickness. Okay, like this, if you draw a figure here, like these are all plane figures, but if it has thickness or height, then it will be a solid, isn't it? It will be like 3D figure, like this, 3 dimensions, length, breadth and thickness or height, isn't it? So I am not talking about this solid, but just a plane figure. And what is this perimeter? Just boundary, that's all. Okay, so this boundary, this, okay, this closed figure, this figure is surrounded by line segments, isn't it? So if you add all these, you will get perimeter, simple. Okay, so here two types I have shown here. One is irregular figure and another one is regular figure. These are geometrical figure, but this one is irregular. This one is regular. You know all these names, isn't it? Triangle, square, parallelogram, all these rectangles, you know that. But this figure, you don't know, isn't it? If it is like this type of figure, it's simple. You just add, okay? Add all this boundary, then you will get perimeter of this figure. Okay, so if this one is 7 centimeter, this one is 2 centimeter, then this one is 3 centimeter, this one is also, this is 4 centimeter, and this one is again 3 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter, okay, like that. Here 4 centimeter, you just have to add all these, okay, length of all this, what do you call that, line segment. If you add all these, length of these line segments, you will get perimeter. Like 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, isn't it? 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 4, 28. So, answer, perimeter of this figure will be 28 centimeters. Simple, isn't it? You just have to add all these. Perimeter, this one. Like in a circle, what is the perimeter? There is no perimeter, but in place of perimeter, there is a name, circumference. Okay, that is also a perimeter, okay, of that circle. So that line which surrounds that figure, okay, this boundary, this is called perimeter. How do you find it? You just add all these length, you will get it. Okay, here also you can add. This is equilateral triangle. I am showing equilateral triangle means all sides equal. So you can add 5 plus 5. 10, 10 plus 5, 15. But here also you can add. But instead of adding, we'll multiply, isn't it? We multiply. Why to add 5 plus 5 plus 5 like that? You just multiply. How many sides? 3. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. 3 sides. So length is 5. So 3 5s are 15. I have written here. Sorry, not there, here. I have written it here. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. 3 into side. And side is what? 5 centimeter. So 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 centimeter. So perimeter of this triangle, equilateral triangle, is 15 centimeter. Not any triangle. I have taught you only equilateral triangle. Remember, in another type of triangle, there is another formula which you learn in senior classes. Don't bother about that. You just learn this one. Okay. So, instead of adding all these, you'll just multiply by 3 sides. So, the formula became 3 into side. Perimeter of a triangle. 3 into side, and you got the answer. 3 into 5. Okay, 15 centimeter. If it is not 5, if it is 2.5, then you will multiply 2.5 centimeter by 3. And you have done decimal chapter, isn't it? And you know how to multiply a decimal number. So, the method is like this only. So, formula of perimeter of triangle, equilateral triangle, 3 into side. Okay. Now, next is perimeter of square. Just like equilateral triangle, square is also same, because you know the definition of square. All sides same, equal, isn't it? So, all sides equal, same here. All sides equal. Your 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay. Why to add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 like small children? Isn't it? Why to add? You are now big enough to multiply. So, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply 3 by 4, isn't it? Or formula became, where I wrote here, formula became just like triangle, it became 4 into side. So, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So, side is given 3 centimeter. So, 4 3s are 12 centimeter. And as I said out here, decimal number, here also can be decimal number 3.3 or 13.68. Okay, length of the side 13.68. What to do? Multiply that 13.68 by 4. So, the formula of a square became 4 into side. So, any side, whatever the length of the side, multiply that side by 4. You will get perimeter of a square. Okay. Now, perimeter of rectangle. But here you can add, like rectangle I have shown here. You should know the definition of rectangle, and you know rectangle is, yes, 2 length, 2 breadth. Okay, it has 2 length, opposite sides equal, length side equal, breadth side equal. Okay, so you can add 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5, but it looks so untidy, isn't it? It's a disorganized way. Why to do that? Let's do in an organized manner, isn't it? A disciplined manner. So, let's make a formula. So, instead of adding 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5, instead of that, you just see 2 times 7, isn't it? And 2 times 5. It is 2 times 7 and 2 times 5. And this one is same. That means common to both, common. So, let's take out that 2 and let's keep this 7 plus 5. Okay, simple. Here 2, okay, and inside bracket you have length plus breadth. This formula came like this. Okay, so instead of adding all these, let's keep same here. This one here, so this is 2 times, this is 2 times, so 2 times common, take out that, and inside bracket write length and breadth, addition of length and breadth. Here 2 into length plus breadth, 2 whole into length plus breadth, whatever the length and breadth, you add that and multiply by 2. In this case, length is 7, breadth is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 2s are 24 centimeter. Okay. Now, if it is a decimal number like it is in your book, like if it is 7.7, 7.5 or 86.789, whatever it is, here 56.3, you know how to add decimal number, isn't it? So, add that in rough column, okay, and that answer multiply by 2. So the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So based on that you can calculate. So these are what? Perimeters. Now let's come to area. Area is what? Area of a shape is the amount of space it covers. Here we did the boundary only. Now area means this inside portion. Okay, how much a plane figure like how much space it has. Okay, how much space it covers. How much space is in that figure, plane figure. Okay, so that is called area. Now there is a way to find out area also, inside portion also. So here also first we are starting from rectangle. First rectangle, length and breadth it has. Okay, so you just have to multiply. Like here if you have square, how do you find the area? This block lengthwise you will add, isn't it? Like you have squares like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and sorry. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breadth wise you have 4 box squares and length wise you have 5 box. Okay. So instead of counting all these 1, 2, how many boxes it has, that means area we are finding. Okay, how many squares it has, instead of adding all these we will multiply lengthwise and breadthwise, isn't it? First lengthwise how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Breadthwise 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. So instead of counting all these boxes or squares, we multiply length and breadth, isn't it? 5 4s are 20. From there we made a formula out here. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, then 5 4s are 20. Now centimeter 2 times you are multiplying, so it will be centimeter square, or if you don't understand that, you can write like this also. 20 square boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, when you count it, how many squares were there? 20. So square you write SQUARE, isn't it? In that square, if you write as short form, it will be SQ dot, then unit centimeter. Okay, so 20 centimeter square or 20 square centimeter. And here also if there are decimal numbers you have to multiply, and in area this unit is very important. Here only centimeter because you added, here you multiplied unit also. So square you have to write, it's very important. Okay, now area of a square. Now if it is a square like this, there also you have to multiply length and breadth, isn't it? But there is no length and breadth in square there because all the sides are same, equal. So what to do? You have to multiply side and side. Okay, so because all these are same, so 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So instead of adding or anything, you just multiply that side into side, because length into breadth, just like that. Here no length, no breadth, so side into side. So 6 6 are 36 centimeter square or 36 square centimeter. Okay, square means this type of boxes. You will have boxes means that square. So instead of SQUARE, you can write SQ dot centimeter. You don't have to write all these, only this one or this one, which one you prefer. Okay, so these are area of perimeter and area of this geometrical figures. Okay, you go through it and please practice. I'll send homework tomorrow. Okay, thank you.